What is up, beautifuls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or of course welcome if you are new. If you are new, my name is Finn. It is so lovely to meet you and I hope you're all doing very well. In today's YouTube video, as you can see by the title, I'm so excited because I haven't been to Home Bargains for a very long time, and today's video is a Home Bargains haul. And today's video is actually a little bit different as well as the same. It's the same but different, because recently I'm going back into the whole zero waste kind of minimal living lifestyle, and I'm starting. It is new to me. I have so much stuff and we're moving in about a month. I've got so much stuff that I'm trying to be more conscious with what I'm buying, plus conscious with how much I'm buying, plus conscious with what I'm buying, so that I know that I am leaving a smaller impact on the world. So today's video is a Home Bargains haul, as you can see by the title, but some of it is very like sustainable living, kind of different. So if that is something that might interest you, then please keep on watching. Like I said, the minimalism, eco, lifestyle stuff is very new, so there are things in here that do not equate. They really don't equate. But I'll tell you why I've bought what I've bought and we'll go through it from there. Also, I don't know what I'm going to do for the thumbnail because I decided to bring the reusable bag. So yeah, I haven't got a Home Bargains bag. It's really not a very big haul. Like I said, I'm trying to be a bit more conscious of what I'm buying, but I'm just going to take you through it anyway and show you what I got. Oh, that's bloody cheap, wasn't it? One of the first things I picked up were extra coat hangers because we are running out. So I actually picked up these ones. Now they're metal, they're coated in like this plasticky stuff, but they are made out of metal, and I feel like these are going to last a lot longer than the plastic ones. And these are an 8-pack, right? 8 packs for 99p. 8 packs? No. An 8-pack of coat hangers for 99p, which is really cheap and affordable. But I picked up these ones in white, and then I also picked up these ones in grey. So that's £2 for 16 coat hangers, which also, because they're metal, they're quite skinny, so they're not going to create loads of space just absorbed in my wardrobe. So yeah, we got them. Chuck them over there. Next thing I picked up was this burger sauce. So this is Fred's favourite. It's also kind of my favourite as well. This isn't exactly sustainable, to be honest. It's in a plastic bottle, but it is what it is. It lasts us quite a while. But this is our favourite. This is the one by the company Crucials. And most burger vans actually have this one. So yeah, I picked up that, and I think that was about £1. You guys know me, if you've been here for a little while, I love candles, and my favourite ones are the Home Bargains one. So I picked up this candle, which is in the scent Raspberry Ripple, and it smells so nice. So yeah, it's just a plain old pink candle, and I believe that was like 80p. Yeah, so that was only £1, which is really cheap for a candle, and these are genuinely my favourite ones. I'd rather have these than the Yankee candles, which is saying quite a bit. So yeah, got that. Moving on, we'll move on to this one's really not sustainable at all. The sustainable things will come after, I promise. But I picked up some of this, which is not good. I shouldn't have got it, but I'm going to have to be really careful. So I picked up this little pot of glitter, and it's glitter for makeup looks. So if you're new here and you're here for all the sustainable stuff, I do a lot of or I haven't done it for a while, but I generally do a lot of makeup looks. I do it all on Instagram. If you want to follow me, hit it up here. But yeah, I use a lot of glitter in those looks, and most of the glitter I have is genuinely biodegradable, and it's good glitter. I'm not sure about this, but I've picked it up anyway. I'm just going to have to be super careful with how I dispose of it. That's what it looks like, and it just kind of sticks to the skin. So I'm going to do some like mermaid looks with this. And then to go with this, I picked up these gems, which are like £1, I think. But they are reusable, so as long as you look after them, they're reusable gems, and you can see they go over the eyes, and I can do some cute little looks with this. Whoops. I just can't wait to use them for Instagram looks. Like, can you imagine like a purple cut crease with glitter everywhere and those gems? Ooh, can't wait. Okay, moving on. Now we're on to like the sustainable kind of things. I picked up these bars of Sanix, which is Sanix Dermosensitive. They are coated in plastic, but they are bars. And I picked these up because I have to use the Sanix Zero stuff. I can't use anything with soap in it because my skin is just like, no. So hopefully these are going to be a lot better. And I picked up the bars because bars tend to last a lot longer, and it's just a bit better for the environment, to be honest. So hopefully these work. Moving on again, I was super excited for these. I was so excited. So I've actually picked up this 3-pack of bamboo toothbrushes. So that is what they look like. They are genuinely just bamboo toothbrushes. Now I've already taken one out, but if you look on the inside, so this packaging is made out of cardboard. Then on the inside, they are wrapped up in paper, so that's all recyclable. And then, so this is the one that I've been using. It's the first one I've been using, but it is genuinely just a bamboo handled toothbrush with little plastic bristles. So I know that the bristles are still plastic, however the handle is wood. The handle would decompose. I need to figure out how to get rid of the bristles, to be honest. I might just cut them off after I'm done with it, but I don't know. And I honestly believe that the pack, how much was this? Right, so this pack of 3 toothbrushes, 3 bamboo toothbrushes, was 99p, which is why I picked up 2 packs. That's £2 for 6 toothbrushes. Along that kind of scheme as well, I also picked up these bamboo, what are they? They're called interdental brushes. It's basically like floss. So that is the packaging. So the packaging, again, it's from the same company. It's in cardboard. On the inside, you have like this little paper bag, which that's what that looks like. And then these are what they look like. So can we see that? They are bamboo with a tiny bit of metal and like the little plastic bits. Hopefully they'll be good. And then again, from the same company, so Home Bargains at the moment have got so much stuff in there that is sustainable and plastic free, kind of. I'm not sure whether it is sustainable, but it is plastic free. The last thing I got is something to replace my plastic scruffle. What are they called? I'm going to put a picture here. You'll know what it is. Like a scruffle thing for the shower. Mine was falling apart, so I've got rid of it now. And I actually picked up this. So this is a bamboo mitt. It says made with bamboo, but on the back it says 65% bamboo and 35% polypropylene, which I think is plastic. Okay, so polypropylene, also known as polypropene, is a thermoplastic polymer used in a wide variety of applications. So they're 65% bamboo, 35% plastic. Which, had I have known that and actually looked, I probably wouldn't have bought them, but oh well. Do you know what? It's better than nothing. So I picked up these. These are wash mitts, and it actually is a pack of 2 for £1.50. I have got one already in the shower, but I really, really like these. So you just kind of slot it on. You can do like bar soap or like liquid soap, whatever you want really. Wash yourself with it, and then you're all good to go. Also, because of the kind of fabric that it is, like the bamboo and plastic, it lavas really nicely. So even if I use a bar soap on it, it is really, really nice, and it lavas appropriately for cleansing. So guys, that is what I bought from Home Bargains. Like I said, I know it's a small haul, but I'm trying to be a bit more consistent and a bit more, what's the word? A bit more intentional with my purchases rather than keep going out and just buying crap. So my hauls on this channel are going to go down. I want to be a bit more less impactful on the environment at the minute, because I'm overwhelmed with the amount of stuff that I have, which is why I've said in the next few weeks I'm going to be Marie Kondoing loads of stuff. I actually took 4 bags of stuff to the charity shop the other day, so hopefully they can earn something out of it, because I've got too much stuff. And moral of the story is that Home Bargains, nice and cheap, cheerful. If you can't afford sustainable living, head over to Home Bargains, because they have stuff there that is super cheap, super affordable. Once I've used all of this, then I'm going to have an actual look online for more sustainable, better ways of doing it. For example, bamboo toothbrushes that are made in the UK maybe, and not made in China. That would be better. So I'm going to do that. But for the meantime, these are great and I'm really enjoying it. So that is the end of today's YouTube video. I really, really hope you enjoyed it. I know it was a bit smaller, but I really hope you enjoyed it regardless. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button. If you're new and If you are new and you want to see more of my face, more of my upcoming content, I'm going to be doing my motorbike content soon, like little motorbike kind of journeys, vlogs, travelling, exploring. Not like travelling far, but you know, like going out on my motorbike. And Marie Kondoing, like I say, organisation. If you want to see that, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'd really, really appreciate it. And yeah, that's it. Stay safe, stay happy, stay smiling. Remember, you are loved and you are worthy, and I cannot wait to see you in the next YouTube video. Until then, love you, bye.